Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a modern browser on Android and switching to desktop site mode. This tricks Apple's site into showing the full account interface. Next, go to Apple Id. And tap Sign In. Enter the email you want as your iCloud ID and the password you'll use. Make sure it's strong and unique. Once done, allow cookies and any site prompts so verification pages load properly. This prevents later errors when creating or confirming your account. You now either create an Apple ID or convert an existing account to use iCloud by selecting Create Your Apple ID on the desktop mode site. Fill the form with your name, birth date, the email address you selected, and a phone number for verification. This is how Apple sends codes. After submitting, expect a verification code by SMS or email. Enter it immediately. Make sure to set up two-factor authentication and recovery options so your new iCloud ID stays accessible from Android through web services. You finish by accessing iCloud features via iCloud. In desktop mode, Mail, Drive, Photos, and Notes work in the browser. If you need a map access from Android Mail apps, create an app-specific password on Apple Id. And use it instead of your main password. Once everything syncs, make sure to note trusted devices and recovery contacts. If something fails, clear your browser cache, re-enable desktop mode, or request a new verification code. That usually resolves sign-in or loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.